Welcome to the prop shop where we're checking the latest and greatest props out there. This week, if you're a t-shirt lover, we got something special from you. It's the mostly heard, rarely seen Star Wars collection. Let's take a look. Mostly heard, rarely seen has been around for many years, but they've only recently delved into the world of pop culture. In their latest 8-bit collection, I'm going to take a look at my two favorites that I chose from the catalog. Over here, we got the iconic Darth Vader, which is everybody's favorite. But of course, if you're on the Jedi side, we also got Master Yoda. Off the bat, just from touching the cotton, it has a very nice texture to it and it's extremely soft. But of course, the main attraction is the 8-bit design that makes everything look like it's from a video game. Not only are the pieces designed in 8 bits, these 8-bit pieces actually feel like Lego as they are made of rubber and stick out 3D. Unfortunately, these t-shirts do not come cheap. They're about $100 each. But of course, during sale season, you can get them for half off. I've bought a few mostly heard, rarely seen t-shirts in my lifetime, and I've always gotten a lot of compliments from them. Most of the compliments are from the feel of the design, so if you don't like to be touched, you might want to let your friends know first. Another downfall of this is that they all have to be hand washed, just because of the nature of the rubber that's on them. Next up, of course, is also sizing. I'm about 200 pounds and 6 feet tall, but I still fit a medium, so these are standard to true American sizes. For me, I'd personally say the Master Yoda definitely has more details to it. You can definitely see the eyes, the shape, and the claws. Whereas the Vader, the lightsaber, is the most prominent thing that's featured on the shirt. So now's my favorite part. We're gonna go and try these on. Well, I think it turned out pretty good. It's a little bit tight, but what do you think? To be honest, I think the Master Yoda one fits better, and the colors are a lot nicer too than the Darth Vader. But I don't know, this will have to let the audience decide.